Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. Pups of all sizes are invited to some splash time at Canine Splash at Castaway Island Water Park at Topi-Kiki-Yugni Park on Saturday. All ages and dog breeds must be sociable and well-behaved. Owners must have proof of current rabies vaccination and a county license tag. Get wet and muddy as you slog through the slough or wetlands at Everglades Holiday Park on Saturday. Learn about the geological history as well as the plants and animals found in this fragile ecosystem. Halloween meets green at this special event featuring environmentally friendly activities, games, arts and crafts, and more on Saturday at Ann Kolb Nature Center. Enjoy a meetup with friends and cricket enthusiasts at the Gold Coast Cricket League's weekly practice at Broward County Stadium on Sunday. Focus on nature at the Team Family Shutterbug Photo Hunt at Fern Forest Nature Center on Sunday. Learn photo basics before going on a photo hunt. Finish it off with a take-home picture and frame. Enjoy your weekends. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend.